Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT, coming in this nice Velocity blue coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package as well as the XLT Sport package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. You got that tow hitch, backup camera right there. We do have a running board on each side, as well as blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have a block heater and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. And we do have this nice black cloth interior and darker gray textured cloth. Plenty of door space with textured plastic on the door. You got a little storage here, USB and USB-C. 120 volts, and of course you need more room, such as cup holders. You can fold that down, and you can always lift up the seats for additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. You got your lights right there, and these cool new looking fans. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 63 kilometers. We have a nice leather up steering wheel. You got your toggle free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Now looking at your main screen here, you got my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. Continuing to look here, you have your gear shift with your speed adjusters, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, traction, four-wheel drive, and your drive modes. Cup holders, you got a nice little fry holder as it's indicated right there. Wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C with some storage. Leather wrapped center console with a 12 volt down there. You got your climate controls right there. Hazards, volume, AC, so on and so forth. And you can also control it right here with your heated seats as well, which is pretty nice. You got the little storage cubby there and there as well. Your main screen, as well as your sunglass holder right there. And looking at your main screen, you have your stations you're currently on, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, so on and so forth. Your climate. You have your apps, such as all these fun stuff, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your owner's manual, towing, little sketch in case you need to remember something for later, or you're bored, so on and so forth. You also got these fun controls, such as phone list, general, connectivity, and your backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE11332, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.